Hi guys, welcome. I'm Andy.
Hey guys, I'm Mark.
And welcome to the new channel, Mission Capon. So on this channel, we're going to do a bit more of a behind the scenes, showing a few more of the other projects, of course, the minis.
Well, yeah, and this thing.
And this thing, which we'll show you around later on. Got some nice clips from Riviera Run. So yeah, we're down Riviera Run. I think exactly the same spot you would have seen the last video on the Mission Mini channel.
Yeah, we had the GT last year, didn't we?
We had the GT down here. So yeah, you give you a bit more of a behind the scenes sort of thing. We've got a couple of projects on the go. T25 VW camper.
The American Chevy.
We're going to have your Moggy.
Yeah, the old Morris 1000 with the old MX-5 conversion.
So yeah, a couple more behind the scenes, different cars, and obviously just the Mini. So that's why we decided to go down the second channel route. So I hope you guys subscribe and like the content that's going to be coming very soon.
Yeah, I think it'll be quite interesting, the new channel and stuff.
Yeah, definitely. So keep watching, guys.
Hi, I'm Mark. As you know, part of Mission Mini with Andy. This is a bit of a weird one. So we were looking at the Riviera Run classic mini show that we always go to every year, and I was talking to my young lad, maybe not take the GT this year and take something a little bit different, a little bit newer. And he's taken the Mission Mini that will be down there. So we thought about maybe buying a new Mini, not brand new, see what we can find on the good old social media, Facebook Marketplace. So we found one about an hour away, so we decided to go and look at it, thinking that it was going to be an absolute shed. But it wasn't that bad at all, really. It drove nice. It had a new clutch. Just plain boring silver Mini. So, talking to young Tom, my lad, he said to me, why don't we do something a bit different? And I went, what do you mean? Paint it chalkboard paint. That started making me think a bit more. Chalkboard paint. Yeah. So that's where we went. And then a bit more social media, Facebook, looking online, found a Cooper S bonnet locally, really cheap. So I bought that because the bonnet was okay, just black stripes. Didn't really like them. Took them off. Still didn't like it. I do like the Cooper S bonnet scoop. Same bloke had a Cooper S front bumper, so did a little chuck-in deal on Facebook, and found my local scrapyard had a R53 in for braking. So went up there, bought all the interior out of the R53. Didn't realise how much you have to change in an R50 to fit an R53 interior, but it was a good mission to do. But yeah, got that in, and I'll quickly show you around the car now. So here it is then. Like I said, Cooper S front bumper, Cooper S bonnet, and here's the chalkboard matte paint. Some of you probably already spotted, the wheels are different colour from side to side. So this side is the luminous yellowy colour, and this side's the orange. So chalkboard paint, all of it, slightly rough in texture, but yeah. So like I said, the interior is the R53 seats, or 56, depends on which ones you want to go. I say, yeah, a couple of things that are different are the seat belts. They are different from the R50s, are different to these seats, so you have to change the seatbelt blades. In the back doesn't really matter, but you have to change all the brackets in the back to make them fit. It has got saggy headlining. Meh. Other than that, it's just a Mini. Oh yeah, and all the trim was painted black by a previous person. So yeah, that all did come off. Yeah, what else to say about it? That's about it really. Oh, rear wiper delete, because it didn't work. Just a little bung. Yeah, usual, when it doesn't work, get rid of it. But other than that, yeah, it's alright. Tom wanted me to do it in chalkboard, so we've done it in chalkboard. A little bit different this year. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out down there. It's a bit like Marmite really, innit? You love it or you hate it. But I reckon it'd be quite good for the kids just to draw on it for the weekend. Slightly different. So yeah. That's it. Bit funky.
Go a bit closer.
Hi, I'm Mark, and we are at the Riviera Run in Cornwall. Just for a laugh this year. Just for a laugh and a joke down here. Chalkboard paint. You'll see what it turns out looking like later.
It's going to be a lot noisier for this than it was for the sound off of the stereos. We're measuring behind the vehicle a distance of 1 metre. It's the same at a younger age, so it went lasting about 5 minutes.
there.
How you doing, Mark?
Scrubby.
Scrubbing?
Scrubby, scrub, scrub.
Didn't come off, did it?
No. But that's fine, because you can still put it down there with the chalk and that tomorrow.
Yeah, it's just made it all like bluey colour.
Yeah, but
Where's that cloth? I'll try some glass cleaner on it.
what cloth do you want?
That red one that's in there.
Yeah, I'll try it.
What?
Bro, my man Markys car.
I know.
Snail again.
Yeah.
Something on green again, Tom.
Yeah.
Also talked to you after their demonstration about their lifestyle, how the Vikings lived and how they survived. AC Dodge doing the tuning down at the entrance to the showground. How your Bini can go faster or go at all. For the CNC Club 10. That's Steve E, the judge for BMW Minis 2007 to 2010. Please come to
Tom was in there.
Doesn't matter. We'll try and hold it like that. We'll just clean the what?
F56 on that.
Okay, so that was second place. 1880 to 1989 is Romeo Foxtrot Juliet 717 Whiskey. It's Jason Spry. 717 Whiskey. Classic Mini 1980 to 1980.
So, it's been a bit wet today, a little bit. Washed off a little bit. But
Sun's a bit bright there. Do it again with you out of the sun.
I did it on the R56. I have got a rear spoiler. Oh, there's always a chance you can take it back. Yeah.
So guys, what a weekend that was. The Mini, all repainted again, back to the way it is. All back, repainted. As you'll see in some of the other footage that we've got, it doesn't really come off the chalkboard paint. Saturday was really good. Saturday night we spent a fair few hours scrubbing it, trying to get it all off. We even had a valeting team jet wash it with snow foam. Still didn't get it off, so we had to scotch it down with a Scotch-Brite just to get it back looking cleanish for Sunday. But yeah, there was some really good, it was good, to be honest. It was a really good show. Everybody loved it. Everybody loved the car and the whole thing. But yeah, we did take some pictures of some of the lovely little messages that was on the car. Yeah, it was really good, to be honest. It was really a bit too much, I think, but everybody loved it. Everybody loved it. You know, all the kids loved it. Even the big kids. The big kids loved it. That was another thing. It wasn't just the little kids, it was the big kids. They were just writing all sorts. Yes, we did have a couple of rockets drawn on there. Just a few. But most of it was quite clean. You know, clean stuff. Nice messages. And yeah, it did turn out quite funky. Everybody went a little bit mad and drew all over it. Literally all over the car, as you'll see from some of the footage that Andy got. Yeah, and another little thing, over the weekend we actually did do the run. So they do a run every year on a Sunday where they all drive out around Cornwall and different destinations. First year I've ever done it, to be honest. A good friend of mine decided to go out on it, and we thought, to be honest, we'll go out on it. But I took my friend's son with me and we had a right laugh, to be honest, going through all the little villages in Cornwall, seeing so many different people out and about. I think there was only like 200 odd minis flying through these little villages. Really good fun. We'll do it again next year. But yeah, really good weekend. But yeah, awesome weekend. Really enjoyed it. Yeah, really good. Catch you guys soon.